morning, students. Today we are going to start revision of binary addition and ASCII code. Binary addition already we have discussed. If you further, I will revise some rules. If we have the two ones here, 1 and 0, 1 and this 0, then it will be result 1. 0 1 1 1 1. Yeah, in this example, see here, if we have the 1 2 1 means even 1, then the result will be 1 and 0, and 0 will be put here and 1 carry here. Okay, this way you can do the addition of binary digits. Okay, students, another example, if we have the three ones, odd ones, if we have the three ones, then we have the value is 1 and 1. Here carry 1 and result is 1. If we have the two even 1 or 1, then result will be 0 and carry 1. Okay, 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 carry, 1 1 0 1 carry, 1 1 0 1 carry. And here in this example, here we have the triple one. ट्रिपल वन मीन्स वन यहाँ पे वन यहाँ पे. ओके, वन वन यहाँ पे वन यहाँ पे वन यहाँ पे वन मीन्स इवन वन. ऑड वंस देन वी हैव द वन वन, इवन वंस देन वी हैव द वन एंड जीरो. ओके, characteristic representation. Computer must understand the character entered by the users. For this purpose, numeric code is assigned to each character used in computers. For example, A to Z assigned with code 65 to 90. Computer can understand only the binary language, and we have the ASCII कोड, अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. सभी जो आपके पास अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं उसका एक कोड बनाया गया है. ठीक है, अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही ये आपका वर्क करता है. ए की वैल्यू जो होगी वो 65 होगी, then it will convert into the binary language which is understandable by the computers. And small a to z 97 to 122, and 0 to 9 we have the 48 to 57. These are the various encoding scheme available: ASCII, ISCII and Unicode. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is most widely used alphanumeric code for microcomputers and mini computers. It is a 7-bit, and so it can represent maximum of 2 की power 7 128 means 0 to 127 we can use the characters. Okay, ASCII code. Here in this chart we have the some ASCII code values. A 65 value for the A, and B has the 66 value, and similarly to Z is 90, and small a has the value of the value for ASCII code is 97, or small z has the value of 122. Okay, based on these values we can easily find its octal and hexadecimal representations. If we have the 65, then we can convert into the binary number system. ठीक है, using the divide method. How to convert a message into ASCII code? If we have the 10001, then first of all we will have to change into the 69. It is the decimal numbers, and its equivalent code is E, because A is 65, B is 66, C is 67, and D is 69. Up 88 is the code of X, and 65. So the original message is exam, exam. In this example you can see that how to convert the following ASCII code into original message. ओके तो आप इस टाइप से इसको कर सकते हैं, इसकी प्रैक्टिस रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, आपके टेस्ट में आएगा ये. ओके थोड़ा सा इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, फिर हम नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड से, नेक्स्ट वीडियो से. ओके थैंक यू.